JLO Beauty, is it worth the splurge? Do the products work? Today I'm letting you know. First product we're gonna be reviewing is the JLO Beauty That Hit Single, my friends. This is a brighten and refined soothe gel cleanser, and this itself doesn't give you a glow, I'll just start with that, but it's a hydrating gel that turns into a foam. You wash your face with it. I use it twice a day. It hasn't given me any breakouts, but it's very silky, very gentle on the skin. It smells really, really good. Next, and as part as your morning routine, and even at night, if you go out, it's important, even if there's no sun, that you wear SPF, because your phone lights themselves, those can be damaging to the skin. You can do a little bit more research on that. But she does have that big screen JLO Beauty moisturizer, and it has SPF 30 plus. And SPF, let me just tell you, there's chemical and there's another type of SPF that leaves a white cast. This one does leave a white cast, but it's going to be absorbed by your skin. I know a lot of people want for that hydration. Your skin is not going to shine, it's not gonna make your skin oily, but you are going to see that your skin is hydrated and a little bit firmer. I do wear my regular SPF on top just because I like my SPF, but I use this more as a moisturizer, and I really love the formula. I think it's a silky formula. Right when you put it on, you're going to see a very subtle, healthy glow. And let me just tell you guys something. For your skin to look like JLo's skin, if you have dry skin just as myself, you need to have a routine in place. And you can incorporate these products, but if you have texture, you might want to look into something like tretinoin, and that's with a doctor, but that's going to also really help your skin. Next, we are going to talk about the serum, and the serum is called that JLO Glow. My God, this is my favorite product from her because this is a gel-like formula. So gel serums, this is how it works. You go from thin to thickest, and if it's ever happened to you that you wash your face and then you wait, you go and you do your makeup, and then if you do your makeup it doesn't look the same as if you would have done it right when you washed your face, well, this product can help you with that, because when you apply it onto your skin is going to feel hydrated again. It's not gonna give you that JLO glow. I think that's over time. Your skin becomes healthier and healthier, and the products start working and you're consistent. I think you can achieve it. I haven't achieved it personally, but I do like that my skin looks healthy, and that's something I really like about her products. I notice a difference. My skin looks healthy and it has a little sheen to it, and I can live with that. I think if I'm consistent, I'll get to that level. So back to the serum. This is a very light gel. It really doesn't have a scent to it. I think the packaging is wonderful, and I love serums, and this, I apply it all throughout my face, including my eyes. It's been life-changing. This is an amazing product. If you're gonna get a JLO Beauty product, I would suggest getting the serum because it's awesome. She outdid herself. Next, I want to talk about this cream, which is that Blockbuster. This is a thicker cream, and this you do not wear during the day. You cannot get away with it, because I'm going to tell you in a second why. So this is a thick cream, my friends, and this you would apply at night. It doesn't leave a white cast behind, but it is very nourishing on the skin, and I find that this one doesn't really give much of a glow, but it's super hydrating. Now, what happens if you wear it during the day? Well, I did, and then what happens is when you start applying your foundation, you're gonna begin to see crumbs of the cream with the foundation. I'm guessing that it's some type of chemical reaction, I don't know, but it doesn't sit well with makeup, at least for me. This is more for night. You can incorporate this with your nighttime treatments that you put on your face. I think it's going to work wonders. And this is supposed to be very hydrating. I haven't used it on its own. I've used it with my other creams, and I haven't had any flare-ups. I've only had like one pimple here, but usually when I do some type of reaction to a product, it's throughout my face, so I don't want to say it's because of the cream. The products have not broken me out, and I think they're very, very well formulated. Lastly, I want to talk about her eye cream. It's called That Fresh Take. Very gentle cream. This is a gorgeous cream. It's soft, but at the same time, it's very thick, hydrating, and it glides beautifully on the eyes. I do wear this underneath my makeup when I do my makeup, obviously day or night, and I let it sit, I let my skin absorb it, and I notice that it's more hydrating. I think the under eyes is an area that a lot of people neglect, just like the neck, chest. So I really like the fact that she incorporated an eye cream. Also, something really cool, let me show you. The brand did send me JLO's cup, which I think it's wonderful. I have it displayed on my vanity and I love it. This is a blank cup. It's a beautiful cup. It's always sold out, but if you can get your hands on one, this is iconic. It's awesome. It makes you feel powerful and empowered and beautiful, and oh my God, it's a really, really cool cup, and it brings a straw. So now, do I think the products are going to leave your skin looking like JLO's? No. Jennifer Lopez, if you notice her since the beginning, she's always had a glow on her skin, and I'm talking about the 90s. I believe Waiting for Tonight came out in the year 2000, and her skin glows. I don't think back in the day they had the products and the technology within to make the products that they do make nowadays, but her skin always had a glow to it. I think it's just genetics. Her mom also has beautiful skin, but something that I will say is that I think she has maintained a good regimen, and she says that she gets enough sleep. So do I. But I think that maybe if you try the products and then you incorporate some like tretinoin and you follow a regimen, you could achieve that look. It's achievable, but it just takes time. It's not something that you're gonna get right away and it's gonna transform your skin. You're gonna see a difference. Your skin is gonna be healthier, more hydrated, it's going to look nicer, makeup's going to look better. But to get to that glow, there's work. There's work, and it's doable. It's doable for all of us, but I just wanted to point that out. I think the formula is awesome. I think the packaging is beautiful, and I think she's doing a great job, and hopefully she continues to introduce more products because her skin, in my opinion, is beautiful. Beautiful, 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 how it looks healthy and it glows, and it's awesome. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.